and my male viewers as well. If you are new to my channel, okay, I'll repeat. Hello, all my fabulous ladies and my male viewers as well. If you are new to my channel, hi, this is Batul Devan, and I am passionate to work for women who feel stuck in their life, stuck in their personal relationship, their professional relationship, or their professional career, or stuck in their overall happiness in their life, where in their personal relationship or personal life they might feel that they are in a toxic unhealthy relationship, they are wounded, there is some kind of pain they're not able to share with anyone, which is coming out of some kind of trauma or blocks or limiting beliefs or programming, anything which is not making them feel that they are in their best happiness and they are living a best life, or in professional relationships or in profession they are not able to speak up for themselves, they are not able to rise, they're not able to make meaningful connections because of some kind of again inner blocks, traumas, programmings, because of which they are not able to speak their truth, and they are not able to uh, rise for themselves and stand up for themselves when required. And there can be many other dynamics where they might be feeling challenges in their personal life or professional life, or you can say that I have a good relationship, or I have a okay career, I'm not really bothered about that, but there is something I feel that I'm not living a life of fulfillment, I don't feel fulfilled in my life, I don't feel that there is some significance in my life, and I want to know that what is it that I'm lacking, but I don't know what it is. And you might not be able to identify your passion, your purpose, and you want to live in your passion and purpose, but you don't know how to do that. So, if you are facing any of the challenges in these areas, hi, I'm here to help you. I'm here to work with you, work for you, and guide you, because this is what I feel that I can do. It is my calling, because I was once there. I was feeling stuck in these areas of my life once, and I at one point of my time started feeling that what am I doing? I'm not living a life of significance, a life of purpose. There is no fulfillment. And that's when I started asking questions, I started seeking answers, and that's where I started working on my physical health, because my physical health was degrading because of my inner damages. So I started working my physical health, then my emotional health, my mental health, and eventually my spiritual health. And I grew myself so much, so that I started feeling things aligning for me, I started seeing things aligning for me, falling in place, and I started feeling seeing that things are now in flow. So am I completely healed? No, no one is completely healed. We all are work in progress. I am in continuous journey of inner work myself, and everyone is. But I'm definitely better than who I was previously. And that is why I here and I stand for, and I want to help you to become better and evolved version of who you were previously, to what you can become. Live a life of potential now. And that is why I'm developing a WhatsApp community. I'm building a community of like-minded, growth-oriented women like you, who are undergoing some kind of challenges, women like me, previous version of me, who might be having some challenges in their personal, professional life, or in their general happiness. And I work with them up close. I share some high energy inner work insights, simple insights. I ask them few topics what they want to hear on, and I'm developing some course very relevant to all these areas of life, which I'll soon share with you. And if you feel that there is something up close and personal you really want to share with me urgently, even if you are a male viewer, then I'll also leave a link in the description box for one-on-one clarity call. I also coach women one-on-one if they're undergoing some kind of challenges in any of the area. So you can book a one-on-one clarity call absolutely free, and you can discuss whatever is there in your heart, and I promise that will be a safe space for you. And we will navigate through how can we make you undergo through a transformation journey in a very simple, easy, step by step way. So you are also most welcome and invited if there is something in your heart you want to share through that one-on-one clarity call. Now, coming back to today's topic, uh, I have already made part 1 and part 2 of the topic, that why quick and timely decision making is so important. And part 2 of the video speak about what are the core reasons of us being in decision fatigue, or we not being able to make crucial decisions timely. And part 3 of the video, that is today, is I will talk about how to overcome that decision fatigue. So if you haven't already watched those two videos, I highly encourage you to go back, watch part 1 and part 2, because it will give you context of what it is. And then if you come to this video, you'll develop better understanding of how you can make quick decisions, timely decisions to progress in your life fast. So now today we will talk about three simple practices through which you can overcome that decision fatigue and make quick or timely decisions in your life. I have my notes ready here, and I might be looking to it time to time, and that's what I say in all the videos. If you are new to my channel, you might be hearing it for first time. If you already watch my videos, you will be knowing this. So number 1 is understanding that not taking that decision can lead to so much of consequences if that decision not be made timely. So for example, I discussed in part 1 that how important that deal or that offer you lost was for you. If you would not have taken, if you would not have did that delay, uh, the consequence you paid because of that delay, or the consequence you might pay because of not taking that offer, or that lead in terms of relationship, or the consequence of not coming out of that toxic relationship or that marriage, which is not only making you pay in terms of your time, energy, money, resources, everything, but it is creating so much of generational trauma which you are passing to your upcoming generations. So understanding and deepening your realizations around how heavy the consequences can be if those decisions not taken timely will encourage you or motivate you to make those decisions. I'm not saying make decisions in haste. Sometimes we have to really process, analyze things, and see all the pros and cons, do all kind of SWOT analysis to come to a point and make that decision. But definitely making a decision is crucial rather than not making a decision and staying in that stuck energy. So if you understand the importance of what consequences you will pay if that decision is not made, you'll definitely get motivated and inspired to take that decision. So maybe just think about it, think and develop an understanding that what are the consequences you will be paying in short or long term if those decisions are not made timely, especially in terms of uh, serious or long term things, for example relationships, or for example career. Now the next point is making goals and visions. If you are a woman, or if you're a male viewer as well, so if you're a woman who has some goal, some vision, some mission, or you have developed some value system for you, have you know you have identified some value system you stand for, and you have inculcated those values in your daily life, then it will be easy for you to make decisions, because now you know that what you stand for and from where your decisions are coming. And if you don't make those decisions, you will not be able to stand for those vision, those goals, or those value system. For example, uh, you enter into a relationship, and that relationship can be a marriage, or maybe courting. or dating where the person is not authentic or does not maintain internal integrity, but one of your value system is internal integrity or authenticity, and that is what you stand for. Your mission or vision is towards something like that, and or your mission and vision is to be in health and nutrition sector, and you want to spread the word of health and nutrition, and you want to work in scientific way, or you want to work in just spreading awareness around health and nutrition, and this person you have entered in relationship uh, definitely is not much of a health enthusiast, it will be very easy for you to take a decision that this relationship is not aligning with me, not aligning with who I am and where I'm heading to in my life, not aligning with my vision, not aligning with my value system, and you'll be able to make that decision. Rather, if you don't have any value identified for yourself or any goal or any mission vision in your life, how will you know that what you stand for, and how will you ever be able to make decision? Or if you're a married woman or you're going into a marriage and simply your vision is that I want to raise a healed, uh, healthy, untraumatic child who has to whom I'm not going to pass any traumas, any generational trauma. You want to break that generational trauma. You want to raise a healthy child, healthy mentally and physically. And you are in a relationship which is giving you toxic and traumatic attacks. So it will be very easy for you to come out of that relationship because you don't want to pass those traumas to your child, because that is what your vision is. I watched a very beautiful movie recently, uh, uh, and it ends here, something like that. Its title is, and it is all about this thing. So. Um, just digressing from the topic, but not really digressing, you can go and watch that movie. It will help you motivate take those kind of hard decisions, because that decisions might seem hard in shorter run, but they will pay you off in long term. So hard decisions now, definitely easy life later. Now the third point is expand your context, and this is one of my favorite. Sometimes we feel that what if I take that decision and I fail? So expand your context, that it is it is never a failure. Even if you think you fail, actually you never fail. You grow. You know that what not to do next time. You know what is not working out for you. And now next time you will make better decisions to evolve or to grow or to lead your life in a particular way, whatever is the area where you are making decisions. So it is better to take decision to fail fast, to learn from it, to grow, rather than not taking decision and losing the most important resource of your life, that is time. So that is why I say fail fast, fail forward, and I myself am trying to learn and imbibe that characteristic in me, because we all have fear. Like, having said that, even if I'm here, I also have my own challenges, and but I'm aware of it and I'm working progressively and consciously on it, and that is why what I feel can be very helpful in coming out of those decision fatigues that have helped me, I thought I'll share with you. Okay, so that's all for today. Like this video if you like it, share it with people you care for, you love, and you feel that this will be very relevant and might serve them, because there will definitely be some and many. And subscribe my channel for more such content, and subscribe definitely to help me reach more people, because that is what my mission, my movement is. So that's all for today. Bye. My name is Batul, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.